pretty cool opportunity. I'm here at Toprank Importers. If you don't know, they're regarded by many people as the top importing company, not just for all Japanese cars, bringing them into the US and bringing them into compliance, but for cars all over the world that you want to get brought in. Toprank is regarded as one of the top places you go to do that. As you can see, there's a huge collection of rare, important stuff behind me and some even better stuff inside. But I'm here today because of a very cool opportunity to meet a special person in the GT-R world, and that's Hiroshi Tamura-san. Chief Product Planner for both the Nissan Z and the Nissan GT-R, and has been at the company for a very long time and has a very rich history himself in cars. Toprank has gotten a pretty cool group of people together, so I think we're all just gonna get to know each other, hang out, maybe go for a cruise, grab some food, and I think head over to GReddy too and hang out with those guys for a bit. So let's see what happens. Okay, we're back at Top Rank. Had an incredible night visiting GReddy and seeing some awesome GT-Rs, and got to be driven there and back by Tamura-san himself. Thank you very much. It was a great experience. So thank you very
You're
much.
very welcome, and thank you for joining us. Think about for some memorial day or night. It's not so many in the life. So please put on for some big good memory.
Yeah.
For in your mind.
I'll capture it, and I'll try to write about it.
And I hope about for some of the part is if it will be able to stimulate about in your life.
Mm-hmm.
I'm very happy.
Well, thank you. That's very nice. That's very kind of you. Pleasure as always. We met here, and then we met in Japan, and now back here again. So maybe I'll meet again in Japan.
Please.
All right. Yeah. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great trip in the U.S.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Yeah. See you. Bye.